Meet my friend Bob. I just raised him up a little taller, so he's a little bit taller, okay? But with this being said, now my jab is at a elevated height, which given on repeat is you're gonna really feel it at that height on the shoulder. So now every time you're jabbing him in his face, you're getting much better of a shoulder workout. If you want to repeat, you can do that different, but you can hit with the different side. You can just go pop, one thing at a time to get down with there. But then if you just want a cardio workout and even it out, just get after Bob, okay? I need to get some mats for this, but anyways, so Bob, hitting him at different angles too. Pop, pop, pop. So now that he's taller also, naturally his solar plex is right there in this hook. So if you're ever just, stepping in, just right in the old button right there, that'll knock the wind out of him probably. But just, if you do this for time, you can just, you don't have to hit that hard, but just that motion. But even here, and just be careful with your wrists, because if you're not used to hitting, this guy's still kind of hard, but pop, 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 pop. You can work on speed, pop, 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 pop. Right? You can do stuff like that, but okay? So everybody needs a Bob. Slap around at home. Woo. You've seen those contests where, ooh, that was loud, wasn't it? Pop. Stings. Anyways, my friend Bob, he's a good guy. Better it be Bob than somebody else.